Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can personalize your Google Chrome, your dashboard of your Chrome with the momentum. So I'll talk about the Chrome extension here. You can get this extension, or you can visit Chrome web store and search for the momentum by momentum-.com. So it's about 2 million users. You can use this momentum for your daily inspiration photo, quote, focus deeply just one click, daily goal on every web, every new tab, calm productivity dashboard, customized to you, and daily inspirational photo and quote again, and so on. Now you can click add to Chrome in order to enjoy this momentum. So wait for the process. Now here we go. The momentum extension is installed. This page was changed by the momentum extension. You can keep it, or if you want to go by default, you can click change it back. So let's try to keep it. And hello, what's your name? So let's start with my name. What's your email? You can add your email here. And here we go. Good evening. So this is motivation. Even you can watch the video here. This is like tutorial, so you can set up your main goal for today. And here you can try to focus mode, get in the zone, block distraction, vacuum tab, and use focus timer. And sounds, you can click to try focus mode, and so on. So you can block size, disable site blocker, and so on. So you can get 1 hour free per day. You can stop the focus, you can exit the focus mode. And here site blocker require additional permission. You can go back. Here you can adjust the weather, your place, your location, sorry, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.